Depending on the game progress or context, some of the events are allowed and disallowed. At the very beginning, you cannot click on the game board. You should first choose to click the new game, and then you are allowed to begin playing the game. Before the game plays, you can change the gameplay strategy using the radio buttons. Once the game starts, you are not allowed to change the game strategy, so you need to finish at least one round of the game. As the game starts, you can click, and then you can click to play the game. Once one of the cell is clicked, you cannot click it again, so you cannot click, but you can only click the ones it's not played yet. So those are implemented in the home view class. Using the switch statement, the game state is init or done, meaning game is not playing, then the image is not allowed to click. Radio buttons are allowed to click, and then new game button is allowed to click. But while game is going on, you can click on the image only if it's not played yet. The radio buttons, you cannot switch the strategy in the middle of the game. The new game button is disabled until you finish the game. Using those information in the image, you attach the event listener only if no click is false there. So let's test the program. Let's restart, shift reload. This is initial state, so you cannot click on the image, but you can change the gameplay strategy once you start the game, and you cannot switch the strategy. The new game button is not allowed. Now you can play the game. When game finishes, you cannot click on the image. You can switch the strategy. You can begin a new game there. Then let's begin. X wins. Let's switch to then. Once the game finishes, all of the images are disabled, including unplayed ones. So that's how the events enable and disable is handled.